sister? I think you are. Yes, you are. I remember that sound.
$200 every time somebody lands on me.
I know. I'm thinking still.
10. That would be $100.
Dang, it's all right then.
Yes, miss me. I was on.
12. Where am I at?
You're right there.
Ooh, shoot, that over there blue. That's that
I
blue.
missed you.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
$28.
20.
Yeah, we sat there and waited a while,
And I waited.
and we all waited.
Just what I had to
8. Oh, I got doubles too, didn't I? Got me? Yeah.
Make a face. Make a funny face.
That's a good one, ain't it?
Yep.
God, boy. Got a blue.
Make a face for me.
I'm gonna get $200 out of it.
Okay. You get to go one more time.
What's the matter? You don't have a face?
I'm gonna get some 50s instead of the
What are you doing, Dad?
YouTube. How's that go again? Show me that look.
You get to go one more time, but if you get doubles again, you have to go to jail.
Oh, if you get 3 times? Wait a minute now. Don't get 11.
St. Charles Place. And you own it. I got that.
Oh.
What?
6.
I don't know. Stop!
$8.
Take that camera away from him. Take that thingy away from him. No one's doing anything. Wait, don't do anything. $26.
You better pay attention.
Yeah.
Can't!
Did you get doubles right there?
Yeah, you said the C word.
What? What is it? Cancel?
Ain't in the truth. You can make a fortune off of that.
Longer arms. Still got longer arms.
I want to get past
Are you gonna play? I'm gonna get over there and do the bank now.